In this quick tutorial, I will show you on how to secure your Gmail from unwanted access on Android. So let's begin. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Gmail tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to secure your Gmail from unwanted access on Android. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you go to settings. Then you have to scroll down and go to app management. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down from your phone and look for app lock. Then you have to enter your fingerprints or your Google password security. So it takes you to all the app you have right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I look for Gmail app. So right here, I have my Gmail here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on this padlock here just to lock this Gmail app. So the next thing I'm going to do is to exit from here. Now let's check my Gmail account. So I'm going to make sure I click on Gmail right here. So immediately you click on Gmail, access is going to be denied. Then from here, nobody will have access to your Gmail account unless they have your security pattern or your Google password before they can have access to account. So by the time I enter my phone login, phone lock pattern, so it's going to open up my Gmail account. It's as simple as that. So this is how to secure your Gmail account from unwanted access on Android, or how you can lock your Gmail account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Gmail tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.